So as you can see, there on one side the light is not on, and on the other side the light is on. So to take out the light bulb, you're going to have to twist and turn it. So when you take out the light bulb, there will be a switch-like contraption on the bulb holder. Now you press down on that and you pull the light bulb out of the light bulb holder. As you can see, there is no continuity in the filament, meaning that it's fused and it has burned out. You can see the filament that looks like a spring is connected to the other parts, also reaching to the top of the light bulb. Now you want to take the light bulb and kind of push it into the light bulb holder. When you hear a clicking sound, that means that the light bulb has been attached, and now you can kind of twist and turn it back into its outlet. So as you can see, the end product of this is how both lights, the big lights are on both sides,